Introducing Duck Max Strength Nano Grab Gel Tape, the only multi-purpose DIY or repair tape you'll ever need. The tape surface is constructed of a fine pattern of durable microsphere adhesive particles that creates a powerful, long-lasting hold. Nano Grab is clear, easy to use, and versatile, able to stick on a variety of different surfaces, both indoors and out. To use, simply cut the exact size you need. Apply, and you're done. Ideal for both permanent or temporary mounting. Nano Grab is perfect for projects or repairs around the home, office, or workplace. As an added benefit, Nano Grab is reusable. To reuse, wash with warm, soapy water, and it's ready to use again. Easy to use, maximum strength, endless applications. Duck Max Strength Nano Grab Gel Tape.